Hey, what's up, guys? What's the process here? Just got this in the mail. Alright, I just had to stop doing the other video. My 1-year-old had decided to jump in and wanted to get her hands all over the Glock Mug. I guess she likes the mug too. Anyway, this is the continuation of that one from ThePeruano57 sending me this cool Glock Mug. And you can see a couple different model Glocks on here. Very cool. Much appreciated. Really like the mug. Great job on the channel and continued success. And then here is the Glock sticker. So awesome job. Really appreciate the gifts. Really awesome. Definitely going to use that. And that's it for me.